Yeah. Hubby is picking my okra. He's picking his favorite okra.
We dreamed of getting them like this in the store.
Yeah. There's more.
Huge. There's another one here. Well, this guy's a monster. Look how fat he is. I've never seen anything like that. Not in regular size okra. Wow.
I think they're hard na. Because I forgot to pick yesterday. There's more there.
There's a little timing to this.
Pick there
I
for.
wouldn't know about.
Pick more.
Here, my goodness. This is giving. Step there. She step in the hole. There we go. This one's soft. Okay, I'm learning how it works now.
Yan.
Yeah, that one. I think it's gonna work out okay. This one's firm. This one's pretty firm. This one's softer. I don't know. I'll have to learn how to.
I harvest already like how many pounds of okra.
This has got some eggs on it.
Yeah, that's why they become like that. Look, they eat it, all that.
What these are fire ants?
Yeah, they're fire ants.
Aha, we're gonna nuke these.
Millions of them.
Okay, we'll track them and get them. We'll find out where they're going in the hole and we'll send that.
Look at that, oh, that's lots of ants too.
We have some poison they love.
You get that too, that one, because that one get hard na.
This one? Little short fat. He's pretty firm. It looks like they're taking bites out of him.
Yeah. They're eating them. Look, my cucumber. They're eating them. Look at all that.
They have Calios, so.
Yeah. This is last season na.
Where's the cucumber?
There. And there.
Oh.
Harvest that cucumber too.
Oh, you want me to get them?
Yeah, the other one lang. Because this one already eaten. Now you can harvest that too. Yeah. There. They're not good. Just harvest both of them.
Right
Yeah.
Just pull it out. Okay. They're a little cutie.
Because they're dead. Now they're not growing to grow.
Oh, there's a delicious little yellow tomato.
There's more.
Oh, these turned out good.
There's more pa there. Yan, nag-snack si Habi.
Premature, but perfect. Wow.
Epa. Harvest more. Yeah. Yan, nag-harvest si Habi.
Oh,
There.
right oh.
Harvest si Habi ng cucumber, okra. This one is only one bush. They become big na. That's one plant only.
This whole yellow, the orange one?
Yeah, this batch here, that's only one plant. They transform into bush.
I love it. Looks good. Okay.
There's one more here pa.
Okay. The back's kind of warm.
Yeah.
Oh, that yellow guy?
Yeah, I think that's dead na. Yan si Habi. Nag-harvest siya ng ating mga gulay, guys. Dead skin na.
Got a little chunk out of it, but
Yeah.
still looks 90% edible.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
pretty good for our own garden. I love it.
But they're a little bit ugly na because last season na.
My back is like a sword now. These poor red guys got pretty thin.
Oh,
Hanging in there.
time to harvest the...
Those need to be hidden.
Look at all that pakwan need to harvest. I need to harvest that tomorrow.
Okay.
They're all
That looks
dead na. I don't know if they never grow because the stem is dead.